Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share these products with you. And let me just tell you, I love them. You have no idea. I know I say that a lot, but you know what, you have no idea. And when you see them, you will fall over too. First, let's look at this one. This is the mini Slimline. And you know how we always love our our tri backgrounds. This is the double mini Slimline background. Now this means you get to mix and match with the other double mini backgrounds and have tons of fun. I have lots of samples to share with you, and don't forget, you get to mix and match with the other. This is perfect for fall because it has those leaves in it and it has that fall plaid in it. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned. The next item I have for you, I'm gonna do this one last because I can't stand it. This one is pumpkin critters. Let me just tell you, I had so much fun designing these little guys, and the faces you can mix and match. I didn't want to put faces on them because I wanted you to be able to put faces on them, because maybe you wanted a happy face, maybe you wanted a sad face, maybe you wanted who knows face, right? Lots of words. Also, most of the words will also fit on the pumpkins. For example, boo would fit on there. I need candy would fit on there. There's quite a few that will fit on the pumpkins if you want. Now, of course, you know the rule. Yes, there's dice that match. Come on. You're getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but it's cutting out way more than that because it's also cutting out the faces. So lots of fun stuff with this one. And when you see my samples, you're going to know this is a must-have. Last but not least is one that Miller saw. Miller's my 4-year-old grandson, and he saw it and he just said, "What's that? What's that? What's that?" And I said, I know, because it's so dang adorable. Are you ready? Get set. It is a Frank Fold It card. Look at how adorable this little guy is. I had so much fun with him. I had so much fun putting his little scar on there and putting his little arms. And you know what? When you see the samples, you're going to fall over. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Let's look at our Slimline samples first because they're so amazing. So here's an example of leaves are falling. Look at those pretty leaves. Now you can see how gorgeous it is, right? Here's another one. Shallow there with our cute little tortoises. Love them. Here's another one, Happy Fall. Notice the designers did something fun. There's no top and bottom to these. So the leaves could be on the top, the leaves could be on the bottom, the diamonds could be on the top, the diamonds could be on the bottom. That's just gonna show you how versatile these are. Here's another one. Let's move these. Oops, am I looking at, okay, that one's that one. Here's another one. Ooh, adding the grass with that one as well. Totally love that. Here's another one with the fall leaves and the diamond plaid. I'm calling it diamond plaid. I don't know. You can call it whatever you want, but look at how fun those are. Now, I definitely want you to check that one out. Now, let's look at our critters. I'm telling you, they're so dang adorable. So here's one, Boo to You, using one of our background grid dies. Open that up. Trick or Sweet. Happy Halloween. Look at how cute that is. I love it. Here's, speaking of backgrounds, here's a tri background for the A2 card. We have our falling leaves, a different kind of plaid, and our cute little gate at the bottom. Open that up, Twick or Treat. Love it. This die set, don't forget, that's from the A2 window card. It comes with those fun arches. Isn't that awesome? Love that. Ooh, here's one using our fall oval. Oh my goodness gracious. Aren't they adorable? Look how cute they are. Open that up. Boo to You, trick, or I can't even say it, Trick or Sweet, Boo, Boo, Boo. Ooh, here's another one. Look at how cute that is with those fun having a rough day today. Tilted rectangles. I love that. But look at this. Who made these? Cheryl made these. All three. All the same, but all 100% different. Look at that. Just by changing the colors, changing the pieces in the inside. Same idea, different every single time, which is fun because you can take the same idea that you have and make 3 separate cards that are totally 100% different, which is fun, right? Because it's more and more versatile. Here's another one. Look how cute that is. I love it. You're the pick of the pumpkin patch. Isn't that sweet? She's like waving. So cute. Now, these are really fun. Oh, you know what? Look. Oh no, this guy fell out. I have to show you this because Michelle made this. This has like a little pocket in it. Can you see that? Well, she made this little raccoon. He fell in here. Made this cute little peep raccoon in there. And He's a little paper clip, so you can use it in your planner, in your calendar, as a bookmark if you want to. How fun to give this. And it's beautiful on its own, right? Nobody thought anything was missing. But when you add this little guy, doesn't that just make it even more adorable? I love it. I love it, love it. Now, back to our little guys. Look at how cute those are. Okay, now these are really fun because these are our sliders. Watch this. Ready? Boo to you. Did I scare you? Isn't that cute? Look at, imagine putting this on a treat bag for someone, a little kid or a little friend, or a coworker even. Trick or sweet. Jack-o'-lantern jamboree. Look how cute this is. This slide reveal is on our website now, my friends. You might even have it already. Happy Halloween. You're the pick of the pumpkin patch. Isn't that adorable? Look how cute that is. Then they could even make this a bookmark at the end if they want. So fun and so versatile. Now, and that slide reveal is on the website. Are you ready for Frank? I am telling you guys, he is my fave. First of all, Michelle made a cute little stuffy, which let me just tell you, these little guys have stolen my heart. I absolutely love them. He looks so adorable, but get ready for this. Are you ready? Get set. There is one. And I love, you know, when the design team makes these, they're all different because you can get to see the different ways. So for example, purple jacket, blue jacket, different shorts, different skin. The choice is yours, right? Now let's look at this one. Oh, here's some more. Let's just look at the cards first. Here's two more. Oh, hair. Just so you can see, totally different, but oh my goodness, too cute to spook. Am I right? Look how cute they are. I just absolutely love those. Frankenstein, well, we can't call it Frankenstein because I think that might be not right. It's called Frank. Frank folded. Look at how gorgeous this little guy is. So pretty. You could add this to a little door if you wanted to. Oh, it even says Eek on it. So cute. Look how adorable. Can you imagine giving this to someone or putting it on your doorknob in your office or anything like that? Here's another gorgeous one, another banner. So much fun, and look how adorable it is. All of our fold-its fit very well on our banners. My friends, you know the rules. I know you do. Oh my goodness, and this one also uses one of my other favorites, my pumpkin fold-it. Love it. My friends, if you've been around a while, you know the first 24 hours these items are on our website. They're on flash sale. What's a flash sale at the Stamps of Life? That means the first 24 hours, a brand new item, not something you bought last week, don't worry. A brand new item is on a flash sale. So not only is it our everyday low price, you get a flash sale price, and club members, yes, you get the discount on top of all of that. So that's even lower. So club members get the flash sale price and their discount, and they get club points. I know, it's amazing. And of course, you know, club members get 15 to 20% off our entire website every single day, every single order. Yes, that includes Totally Tiffany. Yes, that includes die cut machines. Yes, that includes everything. Everything. Oh yeah, I said it. Now, you can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. It's not $13.99 a month and you get nothing. No, 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 no. It's $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set, and you get all of the club benefits. 15% off the website, club points, anniversary gift certificates. If you stay in the club a full year, you get a $15 gift certificate to the website. And you also get freebies every couple months. We like to send out little freebies just to spoil you, to tell you how much we love you. So go check it out. We have 4 different clubs to pick from, or you can do multiples of some of them. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club. Just watch that video just to see what we have to offer. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and that cute little bell. That's going to notify you every time we go live and I make a card, or when we release a new item. Thanks so much. I'll see you again. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.